Hey folks, welcome back to the channel for another property tour. I'm going to show you some homes on these next series of videos, and unfortunately the reason why you're going to see this beginning so many times is because there was a oopsie with like some equipment failure. The microphone basically gave out on me. Didn't realize until after all the videos recorded, so I lost all of those intros and all those outros. So we're just going to use one for the beginning and one for the end on all of them, and just kind of roll with it. So as you know, my name is Chris, your local no BS realtor here in the greater Milwaukee metro area of Wisconsin. And my contact information is always in the description down below. You can call, text, email, or book an appointment directly on my calendar. So without further ado, let's get into these property tours and flip it. Hey guys, thanks so much for taking the time to tour this property with me today. If you have any questions or you want to see this home in person, I'd love to help you out. Whether you're looking to buy or sell, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, whatever works best for you. And if you're ready to take the next step, you can also book a time with me directly through the link to my calendar, which is always in the description down below. I'm always here to make the home buying or selling process as smooth and stress-free as possible, so don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, stay positive, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.